To draw isometric circles on CAD. One, I want you to notice right away that I am in the isometric snap with my mouse. So I've already went down to the snap part, went to settings, and I changed myself to the isometric snap. Next, what I have to do, in order to draw any circle, you've always got to have that circle's center point. So I'm going to draw a line from the point to point in order for me to be able to get the center point right here. Well, when you're doing a circle in isometric, it is really not a circle at all. It is an ellipse or an oval. So I'm going to come over here to the left hand side and I'm going to select the ellipse tool. When I select the ellipse tool, in the bottom of the screen it says arc, center, or iso circle. So I'm going to type I, enter, and then it automatically says specify the center of the iso circle. Well, the center point is still in the midpoint of that line, and now as I pull off my circle, it is an elliptical circle. Now, just like what we do when in our isometric snap when it's not in the right plane, I hit Control E, and now that just placed my isometric circle on the right spot. So I just drew that one. So then if I draw up here, I need again my midpoint of my circle, so I'm going to hit the ellipse tool. It says specify the midpoint. I'm going to hit I, enter first though. I, enter. Now it says select the center of the iso circle there. When I start pulling out, again, that's not in the right plane, so I'm going to hit Control E. Now that is on the right plane. There's that circle. And then if I was to draw my next one, I'm trying to get my center point of the circle again. Hit the ellipse tool, hit I, enter. I'm going to specify the center of it. I'm pulling out. That's not the correct way, so I'm going to hit Control E. That is the correct way for my circle. And that is how you create isometric circles using AutoCAD. Now, in order to make this piece, let's say that's those circles there. But let's say we wanted to make this piece a cylinder. Well, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here and I'm going to copy my iso cylinder. I'm going to come down like 4 inches, let's say. I'm going to hit 4, enter. So there's my cylinder. I want to make a cylinder out of this piece. So I want to be able to connect that quadrant to that quadrant, that quadrant to that quadrant, and then I would trim out that back edge of the piece. Because I would see it now, there would be your cylinder. So that is how you create isometric circles, and that is also how you connect circles to make a cylinder.